everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit or complete a recurring text from a Google Calendar. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Calendar apps and then click on the text and then click edit, this one, and then to edit the date or time of the text, click or tap the date or time like this and then click OK. After this you can edit maybe and then click OK. And then now you can click on the save. And then to edit how often a text occurs or stop a text from repeating, so you just click on the text and then click on edit and click repeat, this one, and you can click custom or you can click does not repeat. And then after this you can click on save. Click stop repeating. Finish. So that how to edit or come. And then the last to complete a test, you just click on the text and then you just click on the mark completed like this and finish. So that how to edit or complete a recurring text from a Google Calendar apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.